Ria felt happy because Suresh truly cared about her. She realized that real love is shown through kindness, care, and support, not through expensive gifts. After a few weeks, Ria became healthy again. She thanked Suresh for helping her during her difficult time. Their friendship became even deeper. Months passed, and both of them worked hard to achieve their dreams. Ria became a teacher in the village school. Suresh opened a beautiful library with many books for children and adults. The whole village was proud of them. People loved visiting Suresh's library, and children enjoyed learning from Ria. They continued helping each other every day. One evening, Suresh invited Ria to the same riverside where they had spent many happy evenings together. The sky was full of stars and a cool breeze was blowing. Suresh looked at Ria with a gentle smile and said, Ria, you are not only my best friend, but you are also the person who makes my life beautiful. Will you spend your whole life with me? Ria smiled with tears of happiness in her eyes. She softly replied, Yes, Suresh, I will always stand beside you. Their families happily accepted their relationship. A few months later, they got married in a simple ceremony. The whole village celebrated with them. After marriage, Ria continued teaching children and Suresh continued running his library. Together, they also started free evening classes for poor children. They believed that love becomes stronger when it is shared with kindness and service. Years passed, but their love never became smaller. They respected each other, solved problems together, and supported each other through every challenge. They laughed together, learned together, and grew together. Whenever people asked them the secret of their happy life, Suresh smiled and said, Love is not about perfect people, it is about caring for each other every single day. Ria always added, True love grows with honesty, trust, patience, and kindness. Their story inspired many young people in the village. Everyone learned that real love is not only about saying, I love you. It is about showing love through actions, respect, and support every day.